Welcome, everyone. Today, we're unpacking something super exciting. We are diving into a highly anticipated blueprint for our digital future. It's called AI in Daily Life, Solving Problems and Transforming the Future, written by Gaga AI Studio EAT. And listen, this is not just some dry, theoretical textbook that's going to sit on your shelf collecting dust. No way. It's an absolutely crucial, practical guide designed to help you, yes you, master AI right now. So whether you're a total beginner or you've already started playing around with these tools, this explainer is going to walk you through exactly how this groundbreaking guide equips you for the digital age.
Right at the front of the book, there's this really revealing dedication. It says, to students, professionals, entrepreneurs, educators, and everyone who seeks to use AI for positive change. You know what's great about that? The creators didn't write this for like a handful of tech billionaires or folks in a computer science lab. They literally wrote it for us. They want you to realize you've got the power to create real, positive change in your own life and your own community. It's basically a direct invitation to stop watching from the sidelines and actually jump right into the digital revolution. So, let's take a quick look at how this guide prepares us. We'll start off with the AI accessibility mission. Then, we'll move into AI in your daily life, explore education and entrepreneurship, check out healthcare and agriculture, and finally, wrap up with Ethiopia's AI future. Let's just dive right in.
All right, Section 1, the AI Accessibility Mission.
This studio's core mission is just so simple, but man, is it powerful. It's to make artificial intelligence accessible, practical, and beneficial for everyone. And when they say everyone, they seriously mean it. They've actually presented this guide bilingually in English and Amharic. By doing that, they're completely shattering the language barrier that, let's be honest, usually gatekeeps this kind of cutting-edge tech. It just goes to show that Gaga AI Studio ET is absolutely serious about democratizing this knowledge across entirely different linguistic communities. And hey, these authors aren't just sitting in an ivory tower throwing out theories. They are actually out there in the trenches. They're coding the apps, building the bots, and automating businesses. Look at their services: AI training, digital marketing, website and app development, and business automation. They are a real-deal Ethiopian digital innovation initiative actively building real-world solutions. That hands-on experience, that's exactly why the advice in this guide is so incredibly valuable and practical.
Moving right along to Section 2, AI in your daily life, which covers chapters 1 and 2.
The book gives us this wonderfully straightforward definition of artificial intelligence. It calls it a tool to help individuals, businesses, and communities solve problems and improve productivity. Did you catch what's missing there? There are no complicated algorithms, and definitely no apocalyptic sci-fi scenarios of robots taking over the world. Actually, scratch that. It's the exact opposite. This book frames AI as a collaborator. Think of it like a hyper-efficient digital assistant that's just designed to make you vastly more productive at whatever tasks you're tackling today.
Now, if AI is truly this incredible everyday tool for problem solving, it naturally brings up a pretty personal question. How can AI transform your learning and your business? The book pivots directly to this, taking that big, broad definition and applying it straight to the very real goals of students and entrepreneurs.
Which brings us to Section 3, Education and Entrepreneurship. That's chapters 3 and 4.
You can really think of these two chapters as your ultimate personal growth toolkit. Chapter 3, that's all about showing students how to use AI like a personalized 24/7 tutor, someone to help you crush those academic roadblocks and really accelerate your learning. Then, Chapter 4 takes those exact same problem-solving principles and marches them straight into the boardroom. It shows entrepreneurs how to automate mundane daily tasks, innovate their services, and massively scale up their commercial productivity. It's a fantastic 1-2 punch for rapid personal and professional improvement.
But you know, the scope here doesn't just stop at individual success. The guide poses another really provocative question, moving us from our own personal micro level to the macro level of societal impact. It asks, how can AI improve our health and our harvests? And this is where the true transformative power of the technology really hits home. Let's explore that in Section 4, Healthcare and Agriculture, looking at chapters 5 and 6.
Keeping with that core theme of problem solving, these chapters show AI tackling massive systemic community problems. In healthcare, it's all about speeding up diagnostics, right? So doctors can spend way less time drowning in paperwork and more time actually treating patients. Then, over in agriculture, it's about analyzing complex weather patterns and soil data to help farming communities secure better, more reliable harvests. It's honestly just such an inspiring look at how we can harness advanced technology to secure our absolute most basic human needs.
Finally, we arrive at Section 5, Ethiopia's AI Future, which takes us through Chapter 7. Here in Chapter 7, titled The Future of AI in Ethiopia and Africa, the book really looks ahead. It takes all of that amazing problem-solving and productivity-boosting potential we just talked about in education, business, healthcare, and agriculture, and it scales it up to a continental level, like a real game-changer. The book outlines this bold vision where AI becomes the ultimate engine for digital transformation, starting right there in Ethiopia and expanding across the entire African continent. It is a deeply optimistic, ambitious look at how embracing this technology right now sets the stage for massive regional growth tomorrow.
To wrap up this explainer, I want to leave you with a personal tagline of Gaga AI Studio ET's founder, Sir Gaga Handino. It says, "Empowering Ethiopia through artificial intelligence and digital innovation." You know, AI in daily life proves that this technology really is the ultimate empowerment tool. The tools are already here, guys, and the blueprint, it's been written. So the only question left for you is this. Are you going to let yourself get disrupted by the digital future? Or are you going to use this practical guide to step up and lead it? Thanks so much for joining me today. Keep innovating, and I'll catch you next time.